Hello and welcome to the Moving Market Podcast Weekly Recap. Looking back to last week was all about the labor market. You had ADP jobs out on Wednesday, a little bit softer than expected. You had the Friday jobs a little better than expected. But to me, the labor market continues to remain in the okay scenario where it's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's just okay at this point. And it should give the Fed a little bit of flexibility looking ahead. This week's all about inflation. You have consumer prices and producer prices, which should build on the relatively positive momentum of inflation over the last few months. Despite the tariff concern, inflation remains in the lower end of the range that it's been the last few years, and both should give the Fed flexibility. And to me, the market momentum continues to be positive overall. Like I said last week, you continue to see the markets were about even as we started June, continue to move up, and it wouldn't surprise me to see the market move to new highs over the next few weeks overall. And again, you continue to see mergers and acquisitions picking up, you see IPO, and the confidence continues to build from consumers with the steadiness of the stock market overall and energy prices down. And again, you have the Federal Reserve meeting in the next week or so, which again, not expecting any movement now, but I think the more the Fed looks at the actual data instead of concern ahead, you might see some flexibility in the Fed toward the end of the year.